Now that we have the repo uploaded to our EC2 instance, we're going to use a notebook in the repo to conduct an experiment on resource consumption. First, I'm going to connect to my instance once more. You can see that I'm currently local. I'm on my local computer. I can tell because I don't have Ubuntu at. So let me go connect. So this is the IP address. And so this is the remote system. I've got a different prompt here. So I keep repeating this. This is something that it's just going to become very important for you to become aware of, is looking at the prompt and being able to tell where you are. So I'm on my remote system. First I'm going to use the ls command just to take a look around. So this looks right. You know, we did do some cleanup previously, so I just have the two directories archived. The course repo Spring 2019. I'm going to cd into the Spring 2019 directory and do an ls/la on that directory. And these are the contents. You know, because I added the a to this flag right here, it is showing these dot files right here, which are typically hidden. If I just do an ls/l, I can't see them. So the first thing that we're going to need to do this experiment is launch tmux. So let me do that. And one thing you're going to remember about using tmux is that one nice thing that it's going to give us is it's actually going to make the network connection more stable. So even if I look away from my shell for a minute, I will probably not lose the connection. So hey, let's list the contents again. I like to do this a lot when I'm working in a shell, is list the contents, because it just I don't have a visual, and I'm a very visual person, so listing the contents gives me a sense of which directory I'm in. You can also do pwd, print working directory, to show you which directory you're in. So this work that I've been doing here, this is on this server that I've been working with previously, so I'm pretty sure I have the Jupyter server running already, but let's just go ahead and confirm that. So let me take a look. Let's do docker ps to take a look at that. And sure enough, I do have the Jupyter Notebook server currently running. It's the same one that I ran 7 days ago. It's still running. So I'm not going to need to launch that again. I'm going to go with the one that I already have launched. You may need to launch yours, but I'm not going to show that right here because mine's already running. So you can use docker ps to take a look at that. Okay, let's launch Jupyter in the browser. I'm just popping the IP address of my EC2 instance in here, and it's going to it's opening it up. You notice it's opening it using the tree extension, which is the old Jupyter. I'm actually going to switch this out to lab. I prefer to work in Jupyter lab. So I'm launching Jupyter Lab here just by putting the IP address and then lab. It looks like I've got some notebooks running already from the last time I was here. I'm going to shut those down. If you want to make sure to shut everything down on your server, what you can do is you can click this little running icon and just shut everything down if you've got anything running. We should start fresh before we do this. So just click this guy and then just shut everything down. I already did that. So here I am on my Jupyter server. You can see that I've got two directories. One is this archive directory that we just did. We cleaned everything up from last week. We're going to start fresh here. So I'm starting in the course repo here, the Spring 2019 Big Data course repo. I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And this is the course repo. This is everything that we're working on. You know, one thing I'll point out while we're here is I am updating everything that we do into this PDF. So this is a PDF that you can download and read, and it has all the content that we've been working on in class. And it's something to look at offline. It's different explanations. Maybe reading it might, it's another way for you to learn. So that's something good to look at.